Increasing product performance and improving your productivity each release is a critical part of product development. Performance has been increased in Inventor 2022 for multiple in-place editing workflows. Just about everything you create in Inventor starts with a sketch. The in-place creation and editing of sketches within the context of an assembly now executes faster. You'll also see speed improvements for the in-place creation of work features. You'll notice that when object visibility is off, only newly created sketches and work features show during feature creation. When editing in place, you'll notice that editing eye properties is now possible for all components in the assembly, not just the components you're working on. What you see on the screen has also improved performance, specifically with view orientation, panning, and zooming. Visual styles with edge silhouettes are now rendered using the GPU, providing better performance for shaded with edges, hidden line, and wireframe visual styles. You don't want to wait while your files open and close or when you're dragging partially constrained components around on the screen. You'll see improved performance for both of these in this release. Aside from manually moving components around on your screen, you'll also notice improved graphic consistency and performance when animating relationships using the drive command. Understanding what is fully constrained and under-constrained in your assembly isn't always obvious. Inventor 2022 now has constraint status indicators in the browser. You can now use the browser filter to hide fully constrained components in the browser to help you visualize which components have remaining degrees of freedom. The fillet command is now a property panel. Use the new tool palette to switch between fillet types: edge fillet, face fillet, and full round fillet. The new fillet panel provides a more streamlined and intuitive workflow, which will speed up the creation and editing of fillets in your models. When editing feature parameters in place, feature dimensions now display with an extended leader line. This provides a better view of the feature dimension itself and any effects any changes will have on the model when editing. The measure command has been updated inside of the property panel and now includes a done and restart button for quicker access. The measure tool inside of an assembly also has a new tool palette for quicker filtering and loop modifier access. Property panel navigation has been improved with multiple keyboard shortcuts, eliminating the need to pick and click through property panels. Text color now lets you know if your values are invalid with a red text color. Property panels now include warning notifications and the ability to define presets. Dark Theme is out of pre-release and has been implemented across the entire Inventor user interface. You can now easily reset your interface to the default layout. This is helpful if you work across multiple monitors or if you happen to lose the browser, toolbars, or property panels. To seamlessly extend your Inventor workflows, we've added a new Send to Fusion 360 tool to connect Inventor through Fusion Team to Fusion 360. If your Inventor part file changes, you can push an update to Fusion 360. This new workflow provides a direct connection to tools inside of Fusion 360, such as generative design, additive and subtractive manufacturing, simulation, and electronics. Autodesk Inventor 2022 provides the increased performance you expect from release to release and the productivity tools that make your job easier each and every day.